you are doing good and safe at home. Let's start our English class with a word of the day. Usually we are learning a word and its meaning, right? You are making many sentences by using those words. Am I right? Do you remember all those words? One day we will recall everything. Okay? For this, today I have chosen a new word for you. Okay? That is, what is this? Spell it once. C-O-P-I-O-U-S. How do you read this word? C-O-P-I-O-U-S. How do you read this word? Copious. Am I right? But that is wrong. Okay? This is copious. Say copious. Okay? How do we pronounce this? Copious. Okay? Copious, which means abundant. What is the meaning abundant? Do you know? Many. I have abundant of chocolates, which means I have many chocolates. Okay? Abundant. Copious, which means abundant, or else we can say plenty. Okay? Plentiful, or else ample. Ample also same meaning. Okay? Abundant. Got it? Then numerous. Okay? Lot of. Numerous means lot of. Got it? Copious. What is the word? Copious. Okay? Say louder. Copious. What is the meaning? Abundant. Okay? Abundant or plentiful or ample or numerous. Got it? Did you understand? What is the word of the day? Copious. Meaning is abundant. This is not copious. Say copious. Okay? Abundant or plentiful or ample or numerous. Got it? One example. Radha bought copious books from the bookstore. Okay? Radha bought copious, which means abundant. Okay? Lot of, plentiful, numerous. Okay? Ample. Radha bought copious books from the bookstore. Have you got it now? Can you make many sentences by using this word? This is very easy, right? You can make many sentences. At least you have to make 5 sentences. Okay? Write down that in your notebook. Take a snap and send it to me. Okay? Once again, what is the word of the day? Copious. Okay? Don't forget. I will ask in Zoom session. Okay? What is the word of the day? Copious. What is the meaning? Abundant, plentiful, ample or numerous. You can choose any one, okay, from these. Abundant, plentiful, ample, numerous. Okay? Copious. This is not copious, copious. Got it? Yes. Now, let's jump into our lesson. Last class, we have started a new chapter. Do you remember that? What is the title? Very good. Children of the digital age. Okay? Children of the digital age. Right? Yes. We have started a story. Yes? Yes. Where the children meet their granny. Bus stop? No. Then where? Very good. At a railway station. Right? Super. Okay? What is the name of the children? Gunnar and Sonal. Okay? Who is brother? Gunnar. Sonal is sister. Okay? They were waiting for their granny. Right? Okay. Did the train come early? No. The train was late. Right? Okay. So, their granny asked sorry to that children. Right? Why? Because granny thought that children were waiting for 3 hours in the railway station. But what happened actually? Yes, that boy, Kunal, he can track the train and they came the railway station just 2 minutes before. Okay, because of his mobile phone. Okay, with the use of his mobile phone, he tracked the train. Okay, then he knew when the train will reach this station, everything he knew, and they came in that exact time in the railway station. Okay, so they informed all those things to their grandma. Then that grandma was surprised, right? Then she said her experience. Okay, before that, her grandpa and this granny, they want to book ticket in the railway station. They have to wait for hours, right? Yes, then she shared her experience. Am I right? Yes. Okay, then we learned some new words. Do you remember that? Yes, what are they? Tracking, online, portal, anticipating, then waitlister. Okay, tracking, which means, yes, following someone's movements with the use of technology. Okay, then what is the meaning online? Yes, being connected to the internet or computer. Okay, that is called online. Then portal, website used to point out the entry of internet. Okay, that is called portal. Then anticipating, expecting something. Okay, that is anticipating. Then waitlister, not confirmed. Okay, did you understand? These are the words we have learned yesterday, right? Okay, now let's move on to our next part. Okay, shall we read the text? Yes.
Chapter 4, Children of the Digital Age. Children of the Digital Age. Page number 46. From the second paragraph. Let's head home. Where is the car parked? Granny, the driver is on leave today. I'll just book a cab, said Sonal. Cab? You both came in a taxi by yourself? You both are still children, hardly in your teens. Granny, relax. I'm booking a cab through my mobile phone app. See, it is showing that a cab is available just a minute away. It is a white sedan, so we will fit in comfortably with your luggage. It will cost us around Rs 300 and we should reach home in about 55 minutes. I'll just call the cab driver and coordinate on the exact pickup location at the exit gate, said Gunal.
Have you all read? Did you understand anything? Okay, let's see. See, after their conversation, Granny asked, let's head home. Let's go to home. Okay, where is the car parked? Who asked? Granny. Okay, where is the car parked? Okay, then the children, they said, Sonal said, no Granny, today our driver is on leave. See, the driver is on leave. See, in your classroom, sometimes your teacher didn't come to school. How do you say that? If someone is asking, where is the teacher? You can say, my teacher is on leave today. Okay? My teacher is on leave today. You should say this way. Okay? This is the correct way to say that. My teacher is on leave today. Okay? Keep in mind this. Okay? So that children, they said to their granny, our driver is on leave today. So we have to book a cab. Do you know what is cab? Yes. Cab means a taxi. Okay? What is the meaning cab? A taxi. Okay, taxi. We should book a cab to go home. Who said? Sonal. Just a minute, I'll book a cab. We should go home. Who said like that? Sonal. Okay. Then, do you know about this cab? in cities we can see this. Okay, have you heard Ola autos, then cabs? See, these kind of cabs we have. Okay, we can book through online. Okay, what are these? Ola, Uber, Meru, then Fast Track. Okay, these are the transport. Okay, cabs we can book to travel from one place to another through online. Okay, see, if we want to go anywhere, we will take auto. We have some auto drivers numbers, right? We will call them and they come to our home, then we will go, right? But in cities they use online. Okay, Ola, Uber, Meru, Fast Track. Okay, these are the applications. Okay, these are applications. Through this application we can book cabs. Okay, so cab means a taxi. Okay, taxi, maybe auto. Okay, so that children, they said to their granny, wait granny, we will book a cab to go home. Okay, then granny said, oh really? See, you are children, still children, hardly teenagers. Okay, teens means teens. In that text they use the word teens. Have you noticed? Teens means the years of a person's age from 13 to 19. Okay, the years of a person's age from 13 to 19. 13, 14, 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19. So everything ends with teen, right? So we call this as teens or teenagers. Okay, so the granny was saying that you are still children with hardly teens. How did you book a cab? Okay, then that children, they said, relax granny, don't worry granny. Okay, we booked the cab by our mobile phone. Okay, but we have some applications. Okay, so we can book the cab from our mobile phone itself. Okay, then they show that mobile phone to their granny. See, okay, there is a cab. Okay, a cab is available. See, white sedan. Okay, that cab is a white sedan. Sedan means a car with 4 doors. Okay, a car with 4 doors and a space at the back for carrying things, which is separated from the part where the driver and the passengers sit. Usually it's a car. Okay, in car also we have 4 doors. Am I right? Yes, at the back we have some space to carry some things. Okay, see, that is sedan, white sedan. Okay, they booked the cab, that is white sedan. Okay, a car with 4 doors and a space at the back for carrying things, which is separated from the part where the driver and the passengers sit. Okay, that is sedan. Okay, we can comfortably keep your luggages at the back. Okay, who said that? Children to their granny. Okay, so that we can keep your luggages comfortably. Okay, it is around 300 rupees. Okay, it will cost around 300 rupees. Okay, then we will reach our home about 55 minutes. Who said that? Children. Okay, we will coordinate with the driver that exact pickup location and we will move on. Who said that? Children. Did you understand? Okay, once again let's revise. Okay, what did we learn today? See, that children and their granny, they had a conversation. After that granny said, okay, let's head to home. Okay, so where is the car parked? She asked. That children said, Granny, today our driver is on leave, so we have to book a cab to go home. Okay, then Granny was shocked. Yeah, you are still children. How did you book a cab? Okay, then she used the word teens, hardly with teens. Teens means the years of a person's age from 13 to 19. How did you book the car? Then that children said, we have some application in our mobile to book cabs, right? We have learned some other applications. What are they? Ola cabs, Uber, Meru and Fast Track. Okay, these are the applications to book cab. Okay, cab means a taxi. Okay, then they showed their mobile phone to their granny. See, there is a white sedan. Sedan means a car with 4 doors and a space at the back for carrying things, which is separated from the part where the driver and the passengers sit. Okay, they show that white sedan car. It is available. So we will book the cab and we will comfortably keep your luggages also, right? Yes, then it will cost around 300. Then when will they reach? About 55 minutes. Okay, we will coordinate. Coordinate means to organize something by staying connected with the people involved in it. Okay, together. Together means here that children, then that driver. Okay, the driver wants to share that location. Okay, where did he pick up that people? He has to share his location. Okay, with that they can easily connect together. Okay, coordinate together and they can reach home safely. Okay, did you understand? Yes. Once again, read these words. Cab. What is the meaning cab? A taxi. Teens, the years of a person's age from 13 to 19. Then sedan, a car with 4 doors and a space at the back for carrying things, which is separated from the part where the driver and the passengers sit. Okay, that is called sedan. Then coordinate means to organize something by staying connected with the people involved in it. Okay, hope you understand this. Dear students, read the text thoroughly. Okay, read the text thoroughly, then underline the hard words, study all the meanings. Okay, you have to study the spelling also, don't forget. Okay, then one more thing, you have to write 5 sentences by using which word? What is the word of the day? Copious. Okay, write it, take a snap and send it to me. Let's meet in next class. Bye-bye.